Preventive Maintenance, PM, from Sani-Matic's Field Service Team. Scheduling regular preventive maintenance on your Sani-Matic CIP, COP, or other equipment will help to keep your cleaning processes running smoothly and efficiently when you need them most. Sani-Matic Field Service Technicians are factory-trained experts in providing these regular services on your CIP and COP equipment. During the preventive maintenance visit, the primary goal is to replace wear parts and elastomers that degrade over time. These replacements bring your equipment back to a state of proper operation and prevent unexpected production downtime. Typical preventive maintenance activities include replacement of tri-clamp gaskets, inspection and replacement of valve and check valve gaskets, inspection and replacement of major pump gaskets and O-rings, chemical pump and hose inspection with replacement as required, inspection and replacement of instrument air filters. For COP equipment like parts washers, inspection and replacement of chamber door gaskets and seals, as well as inspection for proper spray nozzle operation is included. On CIP systems, items like tank manway gaskets are inspected and replaced as required. During a preventive maintenance visit, Sani-Matic technicians can also perform programming verification activities. This can include PLC I/O checks, as well as downloading the PLC HMI application files to ensure the latest are backed up and saved by Sani-Matic. Customer-requested recipe or program changes can also be performed, documented, and tested. Another advantage of preventive maintenance for Sani-Matic: training. While on-site at your facility, our technicians can train new operators on proper equipment operation and routine maintenance in between PM visits. This is also a great opportunity for your operators, engineers, or managers to ask additional questions about the equipment. Preventive maintenance from Sani-Matic provides minimized unplanned equipment downtime, efficient running of equipment, an opportunity to train new and existing operators, equipment cleaning cycle set points or recipe adjustments, an opportunity to ask Sani-Matic experts other equipment operation questions. Contact us today to schedule preventive maintenance on your Sani-Matic equipment.